Hello there, good evening. I am Jimmy Humphrey Uto and I bring you good tidings. Today we'll be looking at simple uh, multiplication of decimals. Multiplication of decimals. Now, when you are given decimals, that is a number that has a decimal point, two or more numbers to multiply with decimal point. How do you multiply? Now, if you have not tried that before, we are going to solve it together today. Now, at the end of this, you know how to multiply decimal numbers. Now, for example, you have a question like this: 0.39 times 5 times 0.5. Let's put 0.5. Now, how do you multiply this? The first step is to ignore the decimal point. Ignore what? The decimal point. So we are not going to put the decimal point, we are going to ignore. So if you ignore the decimal point here, we have 39 times what? Ignore the decimal point here, you have what? 5. So it's going to be 39 times what? 5. Now let's multiply. 5 times 9 is 45. Write 5, carry 4. 5 times 3 is 15. 15 plus 4 is 19. Now we have 195. Now 195 is not our final answer. Remember, we are multiplying decimals. So we have to fix the decimal points back into the answer. So let's count the number of decimal places we are going to fix. So we have what? 1, 2. We have 2 here, 1 here. So we have what? 3. We actually have 3 decimal places to count backward. And this is how we are going to do it. 195. Let's count backward. 1, 2, 3. Fix your decimal point, and your answer becomes 0.195. Are you there? Okay. Now let's solve another question. Wow, this is so interesting. Let's solve another question. Now you have 0.003 times 0.023. Just imagine you have a kind of number, you have this kind of number, and you want to multiply. It's not the magic, but you're gonna do it. So let's ignore the decimal point. If we ignore the decimal point here, it's gonna be what? 3 times what? 23. So it's gonna be 23 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 2 is 6. You have 69. But 69 is not your final answer. 69 is not your final answer. So what is your final answer? Let's count the decimal places. We have 1, 2, 3. We have 3. We have 1, 2, 3. We have 3. So that becomes 6. So that means we are going to count our decimal point 6 places backward and fix our decimal point. Now let's count it together. Let's go. 1, 2, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now these spaces we are going to fill them up with 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, and 0. So your answer becomes 0.000069. Are you there? I hope you understand this. Now, if you truly understand what we have done, try this and leave your answer in the comment box. So we have 4.3 times 0.02. Please solve this and leave your answer in the comment box. If you love what I'm doing, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and don't forget to leave a comment. Leave your answer in the comment box. I love you. Thank you.